Hi everybody, hope you're doing well today. Happy Labor Day. I'm coming to you from the mountains of North Carolina. It's a gorgeous day here. And I just realized that I wanted to touch base with you about the two units you're working on right now, both of which are conceptually very similar. What you're learning to do is to calculate z-scores so that you can figure out probabilities of certain events occurring. And so what you've learned first is how to figure out probabilities for randomly selecting an individual of some characteristics given what you know about the sample. But what you're learning second is how to calculate the probability of randomly selecting a sample that has a certain mean with known information about the population. And so both things are very, very similar once you understand that you're just trying to calculate a z-score, but you have to recognize if you're doing it for an individual score or for a sample mean. If it's an individual score, then your denominator term is simply standard deviation. But if it's a sample mean, your denominator term is standard error, which means you take the standard deviation from the population and divide through by the square root of n. So hopefully that helps you to make that distinction in your mind. I also wanted to remind you to please, towards the end of the week, we're coming up with deadlines to let me know when you'd like to take the exam, and also to let me know your availability on the day that I've chosen, which is a week from Wednesday. I believe that's the 16th. A week from Wednesday, when we're going to try to have a Google Hangout review session. And maybe we'll have a couple if we need them. All right, hope you're doing well. Happy Labor Day.